Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to family pair on TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now let's first open our TikTok app first. Okay, let's pause this video and let's go to our family pairing. So if you think this step is initial for your teens, then do it. To do that, let's go to our profile. You can see the profile button at the bottom right corner of our phone. So let's tap there, and after that you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your phone. Tap there, and after that you can see the settings and privacy. Tap here, and you can see the family pairing option over here, which is the fifth in the category of content and activity. So just above the accessibility option, let's tap there. So these, and when you land on this interface, TikTok will provide you some information. So like keeping TikTok family friendly, and family pairing allows you to customize your teen's TikTok settings for a safe experience. Set a limit on your teen's watch time, limit content that isn't suitable for your teen, manage your teen's privacy and safety settings, and also choose whether your teen can have a private or public account. So after that, knowing that, let's continue. And on this step, you are to go to decide who's the parent or the teen. So if you are doing this on your own device and you are a parent, tap on the parent option and click next and tap next. Wait a few moments. TikTok will generate a QR code for you. There it is. Let's take a screenshot of this code and let's go back. So now after we have generated the code, all we need to do is upload it into our teen's account and scan it. Then it will, after that process, you will have all the access to your teen's account. Okay, to do that, let's go back. So I just screenshotted the QR code. You need to transfer the QR code from your device to the teen's device through a method, maybe by airdropping, maybe by Zendering, maybe using a social media app. So you can do it from various process. After you have transferred the QR code to your teen's account, say let's go to this account. So this is my another account. I have generated the QR. Now I have screenshotted it on my own phone. I don't need transferring. So after you have transferring, you can go to your profile again. You can see the profile on the bottom right corner of your phone. Tap there, and at the top right corner of your phone you can see the three line icon. Tap there, and let's go to settings and privacy. Tap here. Let's go to family pairing, which is in the fifth of the category content and activity. Tap there, and so let's continue again with the details. So this time, and now we are setting up the device. So now from this account I'll be making it a teen. So let's go to teen, tap on teen, go next, and now let's scan the QR code which we generated from the parent account. Scan code, tap here, and you can scan it directly like this, but you can go to album. So since I screenshotted it, I'll go to album, take the screenshot, and so you can see a small circle over here on the top right corner of your phone, and it's a little bit invisible. So let's tap there and let's confirm. It's okay. And now link accounts, and let's link. So accounts linked. Now okay, you can see the screen time management off, restricted mode off, search and privacy and safety. Let's go back. So let's go to our parent account again. So not now. So we are on the parent account now. Let's pause this, and let's again go to our profile. But you can see in the inbox there are notification linking your accounts in TikTok for family pairing is this easy. And if you have any comments or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.